K-C-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
K-C-Y-M-O-U-S-E. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Chloe's singing the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Chloe's singing it? Oh, I think Chloe likes that song. Sing it again, because she likes when you sing it.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. And come on, sing the song. Join the jamboree. M-I-C-K-C-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
Good job!
Yay!
Yay! Hey, do you sing any other songs besides the Mickey Mouse song?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, what else do you sing? Oh, I know, how about Old MacDonald?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Keep going.
Oh.
Yeah, stop for a cheese puff. E-I-E-I-O. Yep, chew it up. Okay, right. And
Old
on.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-O. On his farm had some chickens. Riff, clack, clack, here. Riff, clack, clack, here. Riff, clack, 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 clack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-O.
What else did he have on his farm? Whoop. Are you alright? You okay?
On this farm has some piggies. E-I-E-O. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Let's here. Let's go. Here. Let's go. Here. Let's go. Here.
You can just say oink oink.
Let's oink, oink, here. Let's oink, oink, here. Oink, 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 oink.
That was a very good job.